Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, first of all, I would like to wish Happy Holi to you and your family. Now, tomorrow many of you have TCS Nqt examination, and for this exam, many of you are preparing from last few months, few days, but everybody is putting a lot of effort. And because of that, it is very much obvious that we will get worried about how our exams will be. We will get panic. Okay, so what are we going to do in the examination? So basically this video is about last minute tips and tricks. Okay, so I'm not going to teach you anything now, and even you should not read or revise anything now. So the done is done. Whatever you have studied, go only with that. Okay, now friends, we are human, right? So we have emotions. Sometimes we become happy, sometimes we become sad. So this is what human is. Machines, this TV, laptop, they do not have any kind of emotions. And when you have prepared well, it is very much obvious that you will feel tensed, that how are you going to perform in the examination. Okay, so there will be in your mind that I have to clear the exam at any cost. This is my last hope, this is my first hope. So this kind of things will be definitely there in your mind. Friends, I would like to tell you, in my live classes, when I was having the live classes, I was seeing you guys are responding very well. So one thing is definitely there, that you are going to do well in the examination. That is my confidence on you. Okay, so you do not have to worry now. Please go with very cool mind, go with very peaceful mind and write the examination. See, everyone has unique talent. We all have a unique talent. Okay, and you all are talented, there is no doubt. TCS exam is not a very tough examination. And also friends, I would like to tell you, there is two scenario. Either your exam will be moderate or it will be tough. The one thing which you have to keep in mind, if it is moderate, for everyone it will be moderate, and if it is tough, for everyone it will be tough. Suppose if you are not able to do more number of questions in the examination, please don't think that why I am not able to do, I will not be able to clear the exam. Don't bring that kind of thought. And if you have prepared enough, this kind of thought will definitely come, because the same thing was happening with me when I used to write the examination. So please don't think about anyone, don't compare yourself with anyone. You are the best. Okay, see, if you will not have confidence on you, then how others will have confidence on you? So you have to tell you are the best and you are going to do well. That's all. Friends, one more thing, God has already planned everything for us. Which company you will get selected, what will be your package, what will be your salary, which place you will start working, all those things is already pre-planned. What is there in your hand is putting effort, doing hard work. That you already doing it. I have seen during the classes, during the live classes, during the either on YouTube or on courses. So already you are doing it and you have done it. So you are putting effort from your side. Now leave everything on God. He is there, and definitely they are seeing your hard work and effort, and hard work never goes in vain. Okay, so you don't have to worry. You have put your effort, you have done whatever was possible from your end. Now leave things on God. And sometimes friend, we cry that we did not get A, but God has planned B, and B was better, B was best than A. Okay, so please remove all this negativity from your mind. And first of all, don't compare yourself with someone. You are unique. You are unique. I am unique. You are unique. We all have a unique talent. We all have a unique thing in us. Okay, so with that mindset, please go. Don't take any tension. Don't think anything in the exam hall. You do whatever you can. Be focused. If you are losing your cool, then there is a chance you will do more mistakes in that examination. And I don't want you to do that, because I have seen your hard work, and that hard work will definitely pay off. Okay, friends, you are there with us from the beginning, and now please listen it's a a request from my side to you all that please don't get worried, don't get tensed, okay? Go with very light mood, okay? And do whatever you can. Don't think about cutoff and all, and don't watch any analysis tomorrow, okay? Till then, see, because what happens when you see a lot of analysis and all, you feel that you have not done well, the question was easy, you missed that, you missed that. Friends, all those things will definitely bring you in much pressure. Holi is there, please enjoy. Don't take any pressure in your mind. Be cool. I told you, you have done whatever you had to, and tomorrow also you are going to give your best, and rest of the things God will be taking care of that. You all are very talented, you all are very good, you all are very unique, that I have seen in my classes, okay? There is no negative marking, there is no negative marking, so please keep that in mind. There is no negative marking, okay? So please attempt all the questions, okay? You have to take the admit card. I hope you'd have already taken the printout. You have to take 2 of your photos. I hope that also you'd have done it, okay? And you also had to take 2 of your ID proof, okay? So these are the minimum things which you need to take, okay? So please mark all the answers, don't leave anything, and there will be auto submit, okay? There will be auto submit. So suppose if you are not able to submit, the exam will be automatically submitted. You do not have to worry there also, but try to submit by yourself, okay? If you have any problem, please reach out to the people who are there at the center, and also please try to reach at the center 130 hours before, okay? So minimum 130 hours, they will say 2 hours. So if you have 9 PM, if you have exam, then please reach by 9 AM, then please reach by 7 AM, okay? So this is all the things I wanted to tell you. Once again, I'm telling you, please don't compare yourself with someone. You have unique talent in you. You all have done a lot of hard work for this day, and with very cool mind, with very peaceful mind, please go and write the examination. I will pray to God that everyone exams goes well, and I wanted you all to get selected as soon as possible. Yeah, that is only my wish. That is only my wish. I'm telling you, if you are getting placed, if you are getting a job, if you becoming successful, I will be the one who will be the happiest and the most successful person on the earth. That is what I assume about myself. That is my success, okay? If your success is my success, and now you are going to do best, you are going to give your best, that I know. I have confidence in you. Please, you have confidence in yourself, and we will meet soon in the next video. Till then, please take care. Sleep nicely, because if you don't sleep properly, then also, your mind might not be very much stable, and again you will start doing some mistakes. So here we just have to avoid the mistake. So if your mind is calm, if you have slept properly, then the chances of this calculation mistake will be very, very less. See, when I sleep less and when I take classes, I do more mistake, okay? Because in your mind, a lot of thoughts will be going on. That is what we need to reduce it, okay? Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. Go ahead and crack it.